In English, when expressing things about oneself, we use I or me. In Mandarin Chinese, both I and me are represented by the same word, which is
我,
Please pay attention to its pronunciation. It's kind of like saying war with a British accent, 我, but using the third tone of Mandarin Chinese.
我,
我.
我,
If you're not familiar with Mandarin tones, please watch the previous video. Let's practice together.
我, 我, 我,
For example,
我是 Jack.
which means I'm Jack.
这是我.
Literally means this is me. Now you know how to say I or me in Chinese. See you in the next video.